Hello all, welcome back to our channel Enjoy Learning. For today's video, we are going to do ozonolysis of alkenes. This ozonolysis of alkenes, it can be useful for the students of 12th standard, 11th standard, then for BSc students, for pharmacy students. So let's directly go into the reaction. Ozonolysis of alkenes, in this we are going to take alkene as a starting material. So alkene means it is going to be carbon-carbon double bond. So first we are going to do the general reaction wherein you have carbon-carbon double bond. This is an alkene, and the valences of the carbon you're going to satisfy with, say, R. Okay, so you have two R's, and for the second carbon atom we are going to have R1 and say hydrogen. So this is our general alkene. It undergoes ozonolysis in presence of O3. Okay, so O3, it is ozone. Now oxygen atom, it is going to get added across the double bond of carbon atom. So you have two carbon atoms from alkene, then you are going to have first oxygen atom, then the second oxygen atom, and the third oxygen atom. So this is how three oxygen atoms they have got added across two carbon atoms. The remainder of the two bonds of each carbon atom, they are going to get satisfied with the remainder groups. That is two R's of the first carbon atom and R1 and hydrogen of the second carbon atom. So this intermediate form, it is called as ozonide. Now ozonide, it undergoes hydrolysis. So for hydrolysis, you're going to write down H2O, that is water, in presence of zinc dust. Now there is going to be cleavage of carbon and oxygen bond. So you have this carbon and oxygen bond, the first one and the second one. Still you have two oxygens that are remaining. Okay, so one of the oxygen atom, it is going to be removed as nascent oxygen. Okay, so this is the byproduct, nascent oxygen, and the two oxygen atoms remaining, they are going to get converted into the first carbonyl compound, that is ketone. So you have carbon atom with two alkyl groups and the oxygen atom. So this is our carbonyl compound which is called as ketone, and the remainder product, that is again the second oxygen atom which is bonded to carbon, which has hydrogen and which has R dash attached. This is CHO and R dash, so it is an aldehyde. So this is how ozonolysis reaction takes place to form mixture of carbonyl compounds, that is ketone and aldehyde. So this is the ozonolysis reaction. Now we are going to do one particular example of an alkene. Okay, just by looking at the general reaction, we are just going to substitute the alkyls. Okay, so alkyl, first CH3 we can take, second is also R, that is CH3. R dash we can take it as say CH2 CH3, and H, it is going to remain as such. Okay, so this is one of the alkene. The name is 2-methyl 2 pentene. Okay, so this is 2-methyl 2 pentene. It undergoes ozonolysis, that is O3. Then you have two carbon atoms which is linked to oxygen atoms with the three oxygen atoms, and the remainder they are going to be the alkyl groups, CH3, the second CH3, CH2 CH3, and hydrogen. Now we are going to see the cleavage. Okay, so this is the cleavage in presence of water and zinc dust, formation of ketone, the first ketone, that is CH3 attached to carbon, CH3 double bond oxygen. So this is our first ketone. The name of the ketone as per IUPAC nomenclature, it is propanone. Okay, so as it has three carbon atoms, it is propanone. And the aldehyde, so carbon atom which is attached to CH2, CH3, hydrogen and the oxygen. So this is our aldehyde. So aldehyde with three carbon atoms, it is propanol. Propanol, Al. Okay, so 2-methyl, 2-pentene, it undergoes ozonolysis to form ozonide, which undergoes hydrolysis in presence of zinc dust to form mixture of aldehyde and ketone. Aldehyde is propanol and ketone is propanone. Hope you understand, hope you have understood with this reaction. If you like with the content, kindly like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.